Hi, it's Chris, and this is my review of today's reading, reading the Bible in a year chronologically. And today's reading was really all over the place, from 2 Kings chapter 2. That's tomorrow's. Wow. What am I even talking about? But we are at 2 Kings chapter 1. Then we skip chapter 2, jump right into 3, and then into 1 Kings again, back in chapter 22. Then 2 Chronicles chapter 20, 1 Kings 22 again, Chronicles 21, 2 Chronicles. Where is it? Yep. And 1 Kings 8, 2 Chronicles 21. So all over the place, but it follows the storyline of basically Ahaziah, Jeroboam. Not Jeroboam. Ahaziah, and the sons of Ahab, the kings right around that time anyway. And it is interesting. There's some repetitive, some that areas again that repeat, but there's the slight differences that really indicate why things happen and how they happened, and that's always interesting to see. And we see where Jehoshaphat, King Jehoshaphat, he did worship God and he sought God, and we see places where he did that, but we also see where he just kind of jollily feels like I'm just gonna go. Yeah, I'll come war with you guys. Your stuff's mine. Mine stuff's yours. Go right ahead. Let's fight a battle, and they go to war, and then everything looks grim. And Jehoshaphat has the right mindset to ask for a prophet among a prophet of the Lord. And they find Elisha, and the 3 kings go to him, the king of Israel, the king of Judah, the king of Edom. They all three went there, and Elisha says, I wouldn't even be talking to you guys right now if it weren't for Jehoshaphat. He at least honors God, and he knows who God is. You guys are no good. And that's the way he looked at it. He was a prophet of the Lord. He knew what was going on, and said, okay, Jehoshaphat, you guys are willing to hear from what God's got to say. Jehoshaphat's here. All right, give me a harp. So he played music, worshiped the Lord, and then the Spirit of the Lord came upon Elisha and gave them instructions on what to do, gave them the evidence of the victory that was coming, and sure enough, the next couple chapters, or the next couple verses, shows the great victory that God gave them, and it was just as God had said. But they were willing to listen to God at that point, and I think that's a pretty good example for us, that we need to bow down to God, listen to Him. He's got things to say, always does, and even if we're not following Him, if we just stop and bow down to Him and just repent of what we're doing and look to Him, He's going to answer in the most positive way. He is our way, our truth, our life. He is the way everlasting.